Hey Madam, I am Olive Salas Pagulayan. I'm 34 years old. I am married. My husband is a security guard. We are blessed two children. The age 11 years old and 9 years old. I am a Roman Catholic. I'm from Kalamagi, Amulong, Cagayan Valley, Philippines. My father is deceased. My mother is housekeeping. I have two brothers and one sister. I am a Roman Catholic. My weight is 62 kilogram. My height is 157 centimeter. My hobbies is cooking and cleaning. I am high school graduate. My work experience is helper here in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve for member of the family, 3 adults and 1 child. My main duties is cooking, cleaning the house, washing the dishes, ironing, and cooking, and most especially to take care of the child. I will sing a song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Daddy finger, what are you do? Playing guitar, that's what I do. Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, what are you do? Exercise, that's what I do. Before I will end the video, I want to tell to my future employer, they want to hire me because I am honest and hardworking kind of person. And I wish they will good to me and kind to me. And they will treat me like a family. And I hope I will work with you in Hong Kong. And see you. Goodbye. Thank you, Madam.